Whether you're setting up QuickBooks for yourself or your client, there's a few quick tips we at Bethan's Academy like to inform you on. Other helpful information to bear in mind when setting up a company in QuickBooks is on the Company tab, and you want to make sure that your company name is correct and entered in here. And if the legal name is different, you can untick this box which says same as company name, and then you can enter the legal name instead. So you can have a company name that is different to the legal name in QuickBooks. What you also would find beneficial is to put your company registration number in this box. And if VAT applies to you, make sure you put your VAT number here as well. And then click Save. And then click Done.